Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upscale your images using the AI. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So in this video, we are going to use two tools of AI. There is the upscale media and there is the nightmare AI. So this is upscale.media. We need just to find any image that has a low resolution. So for example, we go for image and we want to upscale them. So let's have this image here. We search for any uh, small image. We just save the image and we go to the desktop and I'm going to save it here. So basically now we are just going to upload our image and I'm just going to grab this one, drag and drop. I will add this image here. The image has been uploaded and then we are just going to use our upscaling. So let's have the upscaling here, and this is the maximum upscaling that you can do with the free trials. So here we process the image, and as you can see we can enhance the quality. We use yes, and then we are just going to download our upscaled image. So basically, you can see the difference between the images. The first one has like more of noise, and here there is no noise in the upscale. So after that, you will need just to download your image, and you will have your image that will be upscaled. Otherwise, in the Nightmare AI tool, you can do the same, but here it can go up to 8 times of upscaling on this AI model. So basically this is the image. We do submit, and after that let's go back, let's choose our image again and drag and drop. We submit and we need just to wait for our image to finish. So as you can see, this is the queue. We are waiting for upscaling, and that's it. So basically, this will take a longer time because it's not the premium version. So basically, you will need just to wait for the queue to end, and then you will have the results. And of course, the results of Nightmare AI are better than the ones of the upscale medium. And as you can see the resolution. This one is 1060 megapixel or resolution, and here you can see it's only 400. So basically the upscaling works very well on this image, and even if we display it, you can see that even if there is a little bit of noise, but it's still better upscaling 4 times for this image. And as you can see, if we zoom in this image, we can see this much of noise in the first image or the original one. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.